Hey, it's Megan. Alright, so stimulus is when energies from the world around us affect us in some way. The primary form of stimulus for the eye is visual light. What we call light is a part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is all frequencies of radiated energy that can be X-rays, visual light, infrared, radios, TV transmissions. What we call visible light is visible only because we have the receptors that respond to those wavelengths. Visible light is only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. When we see something, light reflects from an object. It passes through the pupil, which is the black part of the eye. The pupil widens and narrows to control the amount of light entering the eye. The iris is the colored part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. Light passes through the pupil and travels through the vitreous humor, which is this part, the red part. It strikes the retina, which is this orange part here that goes all the way around. The cornea and the lens, which is this part right here, that's the lens, focuses on the light of the retina. The lens enables accommodation. When you focus on a distant object, your eye muscles relax. When you focus on causes the lens to become thinner and flatter. When you focus on something close up, your muscle tightens and your lens becomes thicker and rounder. Your retina has two types of visual receptors, the cones and rods, which is this purple part here. Cones are adapted for perceiving color and detail in bright light. The rods are adapted for vision in dim light. Species that are more active at night have more rods. Visual receptors send their impulses away from the brain and towards the center of the eye, where they contact neurons called bipolar cells. The bipolar cells contact other neurons within the eye called ganglion cells. The axons from the ganglion cells join to form the optic nerve, which is this right here, basically like the tail, I guess you could say. Half of each optic nerve crosses to the opposite side of the brain of the optic chiasm. Most of the optic nerve goes to the thalamus, which sends information to the primary visual cortex of the occipital lobe. The area where the optic nerve exits the retina is called the blind spot. That's this right here. This is the part of the retina that has no receptors because of the exiting axons take up all the all the space there. So, yeah.